Some economic gain could come out of a possible loosening of capital requirements. The Reserve Bank's folded to government pressure and is reviewing the settings currently applied to banks. It's proposed changing how much total capital banks hold or aligning it to the types of loans smaller banks issue. Economist Cameron Bakri says the current rules at face value are extremely risk-averse, begging the question of the economic cost. A noticeable gap is emerging in the retirement savings of employees and those who are self-employed. The Retirement Commission and accounting firm Henry's new report reveals only 44% of self-employed workers are active KiwiSaver contributors, compared to 78% of employees. The report finds 41% of self-employed workers don't get any government contribution, often due to having irregular income or low earnings. A push for our universities to rethink how they mark students as questions are raised over grade inflation. A report by the New Zealand Initiative has found the proportion of A grades has increased from 22% to 35% since 2006, but cannot be explained by academic improvement. Senior Fellow James Kerstead says changing the grading scale or limiting incentives would help solve this problem. And he says that the culture of kindness at universities can also be changed, as putting students up a grade because they're kind costs society. More details will likely emerge around the fatal Loafers Lodge fire in 2023 as the second day of the trial gets underway today. 5 people died in the hostel blaze in the Wellington suburb of Newtown. A 50-year-old is accused of starting 2 fires, one of which did not fully develop. He will pursue a defence of insanity. Herald reporter Melissa Nightingale says more than 100 witnesses will be heard over the 5-week trial.
The CCTV footage of this occurring, and there will be someone introducing a 111 call from one of the people who did die.
Government agencies may need to find further cost savings to fund board members' fee increases. Those sitting on the boards of most Crown entities are in for fee increases of up to 80%. Public Service Minister Judith Collins says some agencies may need to reprioritise or seek efficiencies. Advice to the government found the increase was needed to narrow the gap between the public and private sector. New Zealand's first ever potato ice cream is now available from the shelves. An Otago Ponitec project has grown into a commercial venture, with the unique ice cream being churned out in Dunedin. Second-year culinary arts students were challenged with developing products that could help reduce waste. They've reused food from the Heartland Potato Chip Factory in Timaru to create mud, a blend of milk and spud. It's a dark chocolate chip crunch ice cream.